right, traders, what is up? It's Mark here at Dino Trading, and in this video, I'm going to recap the market profile, right? I just realized that it's been quite a few weeks since I did a post on market profile. So first things first, I got to give a big shout out to Trader John. John, if you're listening, thanks for the reminder. I completely forgot to do an update on the market profile, so that's why I wanted to knock out this quick video, give you guys an update on what's happening with the market profile. And I'm going to tailor this around the S&P 500 E-mini futures. Again, there's nothing specific or special about this market, which is symbol ES for you futures traders out there. But I believe market profile is going to work on all asset classes, whether you trade futures, whether you trade stocks, whether you trade Forex. It's pretty interesting. So let me give you the update. Let's get right into it. So the market profile is essentially a volume-based indicator that will draw a top band and a bottom band just like this. Okay, and when price breaks out above the top of the band, you are kind of going to be on the lookout for long opportunities. So like here, I'll just draw this. If it breaks out about the top of the band, right, just pretend this is price. You're looking for longs, and of course, if you're looking for shorts, then you'd load up the short version and you'd be looking for price to break down like that. Does that make sense? So let me clean up the chart a little bit, and let's go ahead and fire up the market profile here. And just as a reminder for all you guys that are beta testing the market profile right now, okay, you're going to find it in the top of your list. I did this on purpose, okay, so that you don't have to scroll around in your list for hours and hours trying to find it. It's all the way at the top, all right? You decide if you want to pop on the longs or shorts. In this example, we're going to look at the longs. But, like I said, it's very easy to find it in your list. Just simply look for market profile longs or market profile shorts, as the case may be. All right, once you find it, all you got to do is left click, add it to your chart, and hit the OK button, which is what I'm going to do right now. And this is what the market profile output looked like on today's session. Okay. And for those of you guys keeping score at home, if you have the market profile on your computer and you're following along, I can just tell you what I like about it. Okay. Don't forget, for me, it's not enough for any strategy or indicator or system to tell me when to take a trade, right? You guys know that. At least I hope you know that. What's more important is, does the strategy or system keep me out of false trades? So this is really interesting. Okay, so I'm gonna get to this market profile, which was the only one for today's session. But let's start by looking at some of the previous market profiles, right? Look at this. You see this? You see this market profile right here? You see this market profile right here? As the market was moving around, we didn't get any bullish signals, right? Because remember what I said. I said we have to have two bands, a top band and a bottom band, and I want to see price break out significantly of the top of the band before I decide to go short. And that's represented with a green arrow. Okay, how do I know that? Well, here, watch. When I zoom in, let's go to today's session here. Let me zoom in here for you. All right. You're going to see a green arrow. Okay, in fact, I'll just draw the entry from today. You're going to see a green arrow representing the entry. You can see that green arrow right there where I'm circling with my mouse. And you're going to see a thin red line representing your stop. Okay? So now if I fit this back to scale, and let's look for that in the previous two, well, guess what? We don't see any. You understand what I'm saying? What I personally like, okay, so long story short, what I personally like about the market profile, and big thanks to Trader Chris, all right, this is his brainstorming version. This market profile idea is 100% trademarked, I guess you could say, by Trader Chris. If you don't know who Trader Chris is, just look at one of my previous videos. You should see Trader Chris's video on my channel. But my point is, what I love about the market profile is it keeps me out of a big sell-off, right? If I'm looking to catch the bottom, okay, I want to also be very careful, which means I want to stay out of false signals. And look at this giant sell-off here, right? S&P dropped something like 60 handles. All right, that's almost 300 ticks. All right, and the only signal that we got was today. And look at the move. Look at the power of this move when it broke the top of the band, right? So yeah, there's something interesting about the market profile, guys. I have got to do a better job of doing more frequent updates and posts on the market profile because I think this is going to be the winning ticket for 2021. So I'm going to be phasing out a lot of previous products, and don't worry, for those of you guys that already have those previous products, I'm not taking them away from you. All right, but I think I'm going to be trying to get a little bit more streamlined with my product selection, and I just feel like the market profile is going to be a lot easier for you new traders to grasp, right? Because, again, all it is a top band and a bottom band, and you decide which one you want to go. You want to pop on the longs? Well, this is the longs. You want to pop on the shorts? Slap on the shorts. And all you're doing is waiting for a breakout of either the top band or the bottom band. Makes sense? So listen, guys, thanks for bearing with me here. Again, big shout out to Trader John, Trader Kaif, and of course Trader Chris. Thank you again. And of course, thanks to everyone for watching this video. Hope you find it informative, and on the off chance that you want to get in touch with me and get some more details on the market profile, there are some requirements that you have to meet, but feel free to give me a call or send a text message, and happy to engage in a discussion for anyone that's serious about learning about market profile. It's quite an interesting theory. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll catch you on the next trade. Give us